In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoji in Outlook email. Emojis are a quick way to add tone, clarity, or a bit of personality to your messages, and Outlook gives you a few easy ways to use them. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, start by opening Outlook and creating a new message. Once your message window is open, click into the exact spot where you want the emoji to appear. Placing your cursor first matters, because the emoji will be inserted right where that blinking cursor is. On Windows, the fastest method is the built-in emoji panel. Press the Windows key and the period, or Windows key and semicolon. That opens a small panel with a full library of emoji. From here, you can scroll to browse, switch categories along the bottom, or type a keyword into the search field to narrow it down. For instance, typing happy will surface smiling faces and cheerful icons. When you see the one you want, click it, and it drops right into your email. You can insert multiple emojis back to back, and when you're done, simply close the panel or click back into your message and keep typing. If you prefer to stay inside Outlook's formatting tools, look for the emoji icon in the toolbar while composing. Depending on your layout, this icon may be visible directly in the formatting bar, or tucked behind the three dots or the insert menu. Click the emoji icon to open Outlook Speaker. The experience is similar. You can scroll, use category icons to jump around, or type a keyword to search. Select the emoji you want, and it will be inserted at your cursor. This method is handy if you like keeping everything within Outlook's own interface. If you want even more variety, you can expand your options with an add-in. Go to Home, then Get Add-ins, and choose More Apps. Search for emoji and add an extension that suits your style. This is an easy way to unlock broader sets or different looks, which can be useful if you send a lot of themed messages. That's it. You now have multiple easy ways to add emoji to your Outlook emails. Thanks for watching.